It's morning, and everybody's all excited. Sprout's ready to go. Iggy's ready to go. And let's see, where's Puppy? Hey, Puppy. Isn't it time to wake up? Puppy. Oh, that sleepy head. Notice the time. It's 10:24. No, it's 9:24. And Puppy doesn't want to wake up. Hey, Puppy, come on. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. Don't you want to wake up? No? Okay. Puppy doesn't want to wake up. You gotta go out?